All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rome, and this is the Huawei Pura X Max. And basically, we're just here covering a little multitasking on the device, both the cover and inner displays. Just so you guys see how that looks with this aspect ratio, okay? But before we get into that, I really want to thank you guys for helping me get to 5,000 subscribers on my channel. It means the world to me, and I just wanted to express thanks, okay? All right, with all that being said, let's get to it. All right, so as I said in the intro, we're talking about multitasking on this device and how that looks with this aspect ratio. I'm gonna cover the cover display, but I don't really foresee anybody multitasking on this cover display. But you know, the theme of this channel is options, so I'm gonna show you what options you have on the cover display and let you decide for yourself. And then we're gonna go to the main display on the inside. Okay. All right. So with that being said, let's get into it. Instagram, open. Let's go into the split view. I'm going to open threads as well. So we got those open. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And that's how that will look on here. But we said multitasking, not just having two social media apps open on this cover display. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on and we're going to go ahead and open up. Oh, so yeah, let me capture this real quick. Multitasking on this device, the Huawei device, is only going to truly work with native apps on the device, not Google apps. Okay, so that's why we're going to open up the native apps. So I'm going to go ahead and go into notes. You got your notes there, and I got my unnamed note there, and you can see I've been testing it out here. And then we're going to go ahead and go open. Actually, let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and go open the browser. So let's go back up. Two native apps on the device, so you know everything will work. All right, so let's say I'm making notes for my next video on a particular device. In this case, I have the Huawei specs open, and we're gonna highlight that, drag, and just nothing specific. Just grab all the specs, long press, and we're gonna drag it up to the Notes app. And you can see that, well, you kind of can't see because the display is so small. But let's drag it down a little bit. Let's remove some of this, delete, let's clean it up a little bit, delete, drag that up. And you can see what I copied there. You can shrink it. Look at that. I mean, and then, or you could put it over to the side and you can say, hey, talk about this first. You can make it, highlight your pen, do a little work over here to the side, and then you can do that. But, you know, the cover display, that's rough. That's rough to do this kind of work on there. I would really just use the cover display for scrolling on social media. I mean, it works for the most part. You can do that. And you see how that looks. And then the beauty is, what in the world was that thing? Somebody dressed up as a big dog? That's crazy. Okay, but anyway, that's how social media will look on this cover display. And you can do the same with threads. This guy cooks some of the craziest things. But look, see, that's how it look. And this is absolutely usable, okay? For this. Even if you were to pull up YouTube, you wanted to watch a little something, somebody sent you a clip or something and wanted you to watch that. You can absolutely watch that on this cover display. See what I'm saying? That's usable. I mean, especially like really quickly without having to open your device. This front display is fully usable. So don't get too bent out of shape about that. But let's take advantage of all the real estate that we have on this inner display. Okay? Okay. All right. So here we go. Multitasking. Let's pull up notes again. And it has those pairs still combined in the task view where you can see what apps you have open. So here's where we will actually get into some multitasking. Okay? Let's say you wanted to have your notes open right here. But hey, you have one browser over here. I don't think it'll let me open the browser again to the left of the app. So we're just going to open Chrome just to show how that looks. I cannot drag and drop anything from Chrome over, and I'll show you. So people don't think that I'm lying or making stuff up. It won't come out of that window. Let me minimize that a little bit so you can see. They don't interact. They don't see each other because the Google apps are in a container. So just want to show you guys that, okay? All right, so let's go back to that view. But see, this is beautiful though, because you can have two different apps. You can have another app over here, like social media, and then you have your browser open and you can copy from each one, boom, boom, put stuff together in the middle. And you could just imagine that this is like your video editor or something like that. You could just pull things from different apps and put them over here in the middle app. That's powerful, people. That, I mean, this is crazy what you could do on in this aspect ratio. Now, with all that being said, even you don't have to use this multitasking view. But if I could click up here and go into full screen, let's say I wanted to go into the split view again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open back up, let's just say Instagram, and I want to trick the phone into letting me have a floating window and see if it'll let me have a floating window. So let's do threads again. I don't know why I went into that orientation, but that's fine. Let's do floating window. And then we're going to go back into the app view, pull up these apps, and look, we have a floating window here. But I think, and I could be absolutely wrong, but I think this will only allow me to have two floating windows. But let's see. Let's try it. So let's trick it one more time. There's threads. Let's try. No, I don't think Reddit will work. Let's try Chrome. Floating window. Two floating windows. Let's see what happens when I open back up that pair. Okay, so we have that one. Oh, it makes you switch them out. That's not bad. I don't, I'm trying ridiculous things here, but I don't see anybody really doing this on the device, but you know, we just like see what's possible. Okay. So with that being said, you can see what you can do on here, and you could do the, oh, I forgot to show something on the front display. Let's show it really quickly. I like how it smoothly transitions from the inner display to the outer display. But anyway, I want to show this really quickly. Let's see how that looks. So got that, and then let's open threads again. Let's drag that down. Oh, you can do the 90-10 split. I like that. I like it. Look at that. That's good. Appreciate you for dropping a comment down below telling me that you could do this on the front display. And I just wanted to test it out and see it for myself. That's pretty cool. Okay. But anyway, back to the inner display. The other request that I got for this device was people want to see this in portrait mode, see how this looks, how apps operate. So let's do that. So we're going to do Instagram. I'm going to lay it down. Actually, I'm going to hold it actually because the tilt is crazy with the camera module being down here in the bottom right corner of the display in this mode. But I'm not right-handed. I want to hold it with my left hand. But yeah, the camera module sitting right there just gives me something to hold on to. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, here's how we look. You got your floating window and you got your split app. Let's do that. That's how that will look. Do we have the 90-10 here? Nope, I don't think we do. Let's try one more time. Make sure I didn't drag it too far. Yeah, it won't let you. Yeah, it won't. So no 90-10 here. It seems weird that you could do that on the front display, but not on the inner display in a portrait mode. Interesting. Okay, but that's fine. So here's how that will look. Let's go ahead and close threads and let's open back up the Notes app and let you guys see how that looks. So Notes, and boom, there we go. And you could do your thing, same thing, not with Instagram, you know, we know that, but you could drag your notes from here and put it in your notepad and make notes, or you could just watch the video and make notes on it. She's talking, blah, 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 scribble that down, okay. And I can mention that in the next video, something like that, you know what I mean? So there is a lot of potential here. You can see how that looks. But also, let's talk about portrait mode. Let's open YouTube back up in this mode so you see how that looks. Oppo Find N6, top tier foldable, absolutely. Shane is talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 8. With this naming convention, is so weird. Let me make sure it's turned down. And you can see how that video looks right there in this mode. Let's click full screen. And that's how that will look. But let's say, hey, we want to go to this. And I want to take notes on Shane's video. Let's go back to notes. Let's see, unnamed, blah, blah. Look at that. Pull up my pen, pull up my marker, highlighter, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. I can make notes on this video, and it's still, look at all that space up there. You still can see the video clearly. But it would be cool if, let's say, hey, I want to watch this. Let's go back to that full screen. but I want that to be a floating window. And I want to pull back up my Notes app. Look at that. I can have that video up there and I can have more real estate here. Of course, the paper doesn't have to look like this. Let's do a new note. New note. Let's do portrait. And let's do blank. Just blank. That's fine. Move the video so I can click the check mark. And now look at that. Look at that. There's some power here. And I didn't mention it earlier in the video. I don't think I did, but I'm going to cover it really quickly. I split this video into two categories, really. There are people that are coming here to watch the Huawei, to look at the Huawei and see if they want it. They're looking at this device specifically. And then there's the other group of people that are coming here to see what they could potentially be getting with the Samsung or Apple device and see what's capable and see if this aspect ratio fits their lifestyle. So please watch this video. Look at this video. Go back through again and look at it from those point of views, those viewpoints. If you're a Huawei user and you want to, or you're interested in this device specifically, hey, watch it from that viewpoint. If you're looking at this to see what the potential is here, because as much as we hate to admit it, Apple coming into this wide foldable market is going to open things up for app developers to finally make their apps take full advantage of this aspect ratio, and we're going to see some cool things coming. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, go back through and watch the video from a viewpoint, not this device and what doesn't work or what may look a little funky to you or whatever. Look at it from what the potential is from Samsung and Apple. And for those of you that are looking at this Huawei device, yes, please look at this device and say, hey, what doesn't work and what does work, especially here in the US, because there are just a lot of things they're banned here. So Google apps don't work natively. Like I said before, when I was in that multitask view, Google and the native apps on the device don't see each other. They don't exist to each other. So that's something to be aware of if you're watching this video. But anyway, I just wanted to cover those points really quickly for you guys, and I really appreciate you being here. Thanks again for helping me get to 5,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. All right. So anyway, feel free to like and subscribe, and it helps me continue bringing these devices to you guys. Okay. All right. Really appreciate you. Later.